Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to sign in Proton Mail account. So if you also want to sign in Proton Mail account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So Proton Mail is an encrypted email service based on Switzerland. You'll be able to get the secure email services in Proton Mail. So if you also want to sign into Proton Mail account, it is actually very simple. For that, first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. So what you have to do is click on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now simply type in account.proton.me, press enter. Now after that, you can see over here you'll be led to the sign in interface of Proton Mail. From here you'll be able to sign into your account. If you do not have an account, you can also create the account for yourself. Simply click on the option create account. After that, you'll be able to create the account for yourself. If you want to sign into your account, all you have to do is provide your email or username over here. After that, what you have to do is enter your password. So first of all, simply enter your email or username over here. You can see over here I've already entered it. Now after that, what you have to do is enter the password. Make sure to enter the correct password. If you want to check the password, simply click on the eye icon that you can see right over here. After that, you'll be able to check the password. If you want to be signed into this device, simply check on the box keep me signed in. After that, you'll be signed in on this device. Now after that, what you have to do is click on the sign in option that you can see on the screen. Now after that, you can see over here you'll be signed in to your Proton Mail account. So that is how you sign in Proton Mail account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.